Ever dreamed of creating your own game? In 2025, it's easier than ever. Let me guide you step by step to turn your idea into a reality. Why 2025 is the best time to start game development. 1. Accessible tools and resources. Game engines like Unity, Unreal Engine, and Godot have free versions with extensive learning resources and open source tools like Blender for 3D modeling and GIMP for 2D art make creating assets accessible for everyone. 2. Affordable learning options. Tons of free or budget-friendly tutorials, courses, and resources are available online. 3. Thriving communities and support. Go and join active game dev communities on Discord, Reddit to get feedback and collaborate. And here's some exciting news. I've created a Discord server where aspiring game developers can connect, share progress, and support each other. By going to my profile and clicking YouTube, you'll find the Discord link in the bio. Join my Discord server today to meet other aspiring developers. Here is a step-by-step guide to start your game dev journey. 1. Choose your game engine. Although I recommend starting with Unity, which is beginner-friendly, versatile, and widely used for 2D and 3D games. But there are other alternatives like Unreal Engine, ideal for stunning visuals and complex 3D games. Godot, lightweight and great for indie developers. 2. Learn the basics. Start with C# if you're using Unity. It's easy to learn and highly practical for game development. Understand the fundamentals of game design, like creating mechanics, building levels, and designing player experiences. Follow tutorials on YouTube to practice. Here are some recommended channels to get started. Brackeys and CodeMonkey for Unity and general game development. Game Maker's Toolkit for game design concepts. FreeCodeCamp.org for coding basics. 3. Start small, begin with simple projects. When starting out, it's essential to focus on small, manageable games to build your skills and confidence. Begin with simple projects like Pong, Flappy Bird, or a basic platformer. Why start small? Smaller games are easier to finish, which helps build momentum and avoid frustration. Each project teaches core game development skills like programming, level design, and debugging. You can build on these foundations to create more complex games as you improve. By starting with small games, you'll develop the skills needed to tackle bigger projects while enjoying the satisfaction of completing something playable. Keep it simple and have fun experimenting. 5. Learn additional skills. Practice implementing mechanics in Unity using C#. Sound design. Experiment with Audacity or FMOD to add sound effects and music. Art and design. Use tools like Blender 3D or GIMP 2D to create assets. But it's best you use free assets and resources from the internet, like the Unity Asset Store and OpenGameArt.org. 5. Test your skills in game jams. Participate in events like Ludum Dare, Global Game Jam, or other game jams to practice under deadlines and gain feedback. 6. Publish your work. Upload your finished projects on platforms like itch.io or GameJolt to showcase your progress and get feedback. 7. Stay consistent and learn. Keep improving by tackling more complex projects, learning new tools, and experimenting with creative ideas. Let me know in the comments what your dream game idea is that you want to work on. And remember this, every successful game developer started small with an idea and a lot of practice. Take it step by step, stay consistent, and one day you'll create something amazing. Join me on this exciting journey. Click that red button for more tips, and let's build games together. Good luck.